Alright guys, so in a previous video I covered some of the different affiliate networks that were out on the internet, and today I wanted to focus on some specific affiliate programs. But these just aren't regular affiliate programs. These programs provide a reoccurring monthly commission. Okay, so what that means is that with these programs, when somebody signs up under your affiliate link, you'll make money as long as they're a member of that program every single month. Okay, and this is one of the things that you want to look for when you're promoting affiliate products, something that'll last you long term. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump on my computer so I can show you these programs so you can go ahead and get started, signed up to these programs, and start making you some reoccurring affiliate commissions. Okay guys, so the first affiliate program that I want to talk about is called VidNami. Okay, VidNami is a program where you can create professional videos like commercial videos or introductory videos. It uses an AI system that collects the images and the videos for you. They have voice that you can use, automated voices. Really all you need to provide is like a script with some keywords so that it knows what it's looking for, and it will use everything that it has access to put together a professional video. If you go to something like Fiverr, and I'll bring it up on the screen, you can see a lot of people creating professional introductory videos or happy birthday videos or just all sorts of different type of professionally made videos that they aren't necessarily in or creating themselves. They're using systems like VidNami to create those videos for them. Okay, so now that you know what VidNami is, I'll show you that VidNami has a monthly subscription program to use this software, and as you can see, it's $47 a month and $397 a year. Okay, so you can become an affiliate for this program, all right, and you can earn up to 50% in commissions every month that somebody stays an active member for this program. Okay, this is a good program that you could promote to make a good monthly recurring commission. Like I said, people need video. Even if they wanted to become like a YouTube content creator, they could use this platform to make videos. This is great for people who are afraid to get in front of the camera or talk in front of the camera and things like that. They could use this to make the video, add the voices to the video, have the text, the images, everything. It does everything for you. So this is a great way. This is a great tool to have for anybody's business in any niche. Okay, so that's the first program that I wanted to talk about. The next program that I want to talk about, is called GetResponse. Okay, GetResponse is email autoresponder. That's the focus of the product, is email marketing. Okay, but they do have a lot of tools under their belt, which makes this a really good package to promote. Okay, and you can see the different prices. You can see all the things that they offer: email marketing, autoresponders, landing pages, sales funnels. Okay, you see that they have the whole thing right there. Okay, and with this one, I believe it's 33% in commissions every month for somebody who stays signed up to this program. Okay, now they do have a bounty program where you'll earn more per sale, but it's not recurring. It's just a one-time per sale type of thing. Okay, if you want to promote that, you're more than welcome to, but I would go with the recurring commission. Okay, even though it's less, it's 33% of the sale. Okay, like I said, it's month over month. You'll continuously get paid as long as that person stays a member to this platform. Okay, so that's pretty good in my book. Okay, another useful program that people need who's starting a business. Okay, because email marketing isn't going nowhere. It's not going anywhere, and it's something that people need if they want to actually make sales. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is FanDuel. This is for the sports fans out there, people who like to bet. Okay, this one you can get paid to get people to sign up for FanDuels, and they have a pretty good pay structure for you to make some good money. Okay, as you can see right here, regular monthly payments for consistent earnings, earn more as you grow, multi-tier commission structure. Okay, get paid your way, PayPal, check, or wire transfer. Okay, and then you can see right here they have like the commission structure and the revenue share on the screen. You can take a look at that for a second. Okay, but this is another affiliate program that you could sign up to that pays you monthly. Okay, again, this is for those who are in the sports niche. Okay, so another one that I want to talk about is Teachable. Okay, Teachable is a platform where you can upload courses and things like that. If you were teaching courses or creating your own products and stuff like that, you can use this platform to upload your videos and stuff like that. And they also have an affiliate program where you can earn monthly recurring commissions. And the way that works is, as a person who's using Teachable, okay, when you're using this platform to promote your courses and stuff like that, okay, there is a monthly fee for them to host your courses and stuff. And as you can see, here's the structure, the pricing structure. Okay, you got basic, you got pro, and you got business. All right. So for me, if I wanted to promote my courses on Teachable, okay, then I would have to pay one of these fees. Okay. So as an affiliate, okay, you're promoting Teachable to people who want to host their courses and stuff like that, and you can earn a monthly commission with that. Okay, so it's another good platform that you can use to make recurring commissions with. All right, and I've got one more for you today. Okay, and that one is called Now Lifestyle. Now Lifestyle is similar to GetResponse, okay, in that it's a platform with a host of tools that you can use. Okay, this one has a landing page builder, an authority website builder. You can host videos and share videos with this platform. Okay, if you didn't want to use YouTube, you know, like Vimeo. Okay, that's another, like, if you check out some people's landing pages for their sales products, okay, they're not using YouTube to host their sales video. They're using something like Vimeo. Okay, so this platform allows you to do that same thing. Okay, you've got webinars and live conferencing. They've got their own email autoresponder. Okay, and of course, they have an affiliate program. Okay, so you can promote this website and these tools, okay, and you can earn about 50% in commissions with this product right here. Okay, based on I'll show you the different pricing structures right here. You got the Gold, which is $49 monthly. With the Platinum, it's $99. The Enterprise, you can see, it's $299. Okay, so it's another platform that you can earn some good commissions with. Okay, something else that I want to add with this one, this site does have training as well, and that's high ticket training, and you can promote that stuff as well, and you can get 50% in commissions with that as well. So it's an extra way to make some good affiliate income. Okay, so that's all the affiliate programs that I have for you today. I mean, there's plenty more out there. Okay, these are some of the more popular ones. Okay, just giving you some different options here that you can play with. But like I said, there's plenty more out there that you can check out that give you monthly recurring commissions. And again, that's something that you really want to look into as an affiliate marketer, because, you know, once you get somebody to sign up to one of these programs, okay, that's monthly commissions coming in over and over and over again. Alright, so that's all I got for today's video, guys. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful as well. Trust me, there are plenty of people out there right now that are looking for ways to make money online, and something like this may help them out. So make sure you share it out. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.